So I'll just interrupt you at will. Look there. Hi friends! So we have a new project that we would like to tell you about. So we're just doing a quick vlog. We're fast.
Very quick.
We're doing a quick vlog to tell you about that. Take it away, Mr. Reed.
Right, so it's called Our Daily Bites.
What is Our Daily Bites?
Our Daily Bites is just a summary of our devotional from Daily Bread.
Our Daily Bread.
Our Daily Bread. We want you to follow with us, so you could buy the printed version, which is basically everywhere.
The 2021 version.
2021 version, right? Or you could, better yet, more conveniently, download it from the Play Store if you have an Android device, or from the App Store if you have an iPhone or iPad. All it is that we are going to be summarizing our findings, or we were able to glean from what we read for the devotional for the day, and we'll be sharing a song each day. And hopefully that song would basically kind of encapsulate the idea of what the message was for that day.
Yeah.
Something that you can have on your mind while you're at work, while you're going to at home. You can play it on YouTube, you can find the artist, whatever you want. It's something that can kind of, summarize that idea for the day.
Yeah, so I'm sure a lot of us want to get off to a better start in terms of our spiritual life in 2021. So this is a way for us to also get into the Word and for you to follow along with us as we go through our daily bread in our devotional time.
Right, so believe it or not, you are keeping us accountable and we are helping to keep you accountable as well.
Right.
So you can access it on our Instagram page, which is Me and My House. I can try to bring up the link. Or you can check our YouTube channel bio to get that link. Also, those of you who are contacts on our WhatsApp list, we'll broadcast it there. And our personal Facebook account, Paul and Tina Reed, will also have those snippets.
For the day.
For the day, right.
So we'll be doing these on weekdays only. On the weekends, that's your time to get into the devotional at your own pace and do whatever you feel comfortable doing.
Right.
So we are inviting you to join us. This is very exciting for us, and we hope that it will bless you as much as we are sure we're going to be blessed by embarking on this.
For sure. So see you then, starting tomorrow. Share it with as many persons as they can. We don't want to be stingy with the word. We are going to just share it and let persons benefit, whether they're saved or unsaved. We're going to live through 2021 very purposefully. Alright? So, see you tomorrow. Take care. And big up from Me and My House. Bye, guys.